How to fix verification required, tap continue to sign in to view billing information on your iPhone. So if you want to fix verification required, tap continue to sign in to view the billing information on your iPhone problem, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And the next thing is, like for example, if you're trying to buy something from Apple and if you get that problem, then you need to check your payment method, because sometimes payment method might expire. So what you need to do is delete your payment method that you have right now and then again add a new payment method, or you can also add your previous payment method but just delete the previous saved one and then add it again. To do that, you can open up your App Store. From your App Store, you need to go with Profile, which is on the top right, and then tap on your name. Once here, you need to tap on Manage Payments. Under Manage Payments, now in my case, I've not added any payment method, but if you already added your payment method, then you need to just go and delete the payment method that you have and then add another payment method, and this will fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.